Be at the beach, right, Brooke?
That's right. We just want to be very careful because we do have that beach hazard statement, and in fact, not just today, but for tomorrow as well. We're going to have some very large swells, especially in the evening and nighttime hours. For today, we were 3 degrees above what we would usually see at Lindbergh Field, so still above that seasonal average, but that's even going to be the case more so tomorrow as temperatures rise a little bit. I'll let you know why in just a second. Right now, we're looking at very comfortable conditions around the county, lower 70s, mid 60s in most spots, and that's what we can expect in the next couple of days ahead in those nighttime hours. All right, we have high pressure aloft. That is what's bringing us those very warm temperatures. In fact, we'll get up into the 90s again in some spots. We also have a high pressure system centered over the Great Basin. That, with the clockwise rotation it's bringing, is dragging in some moisture that's continuing to build. So we're going to see increased moisture for tomorrow, and that moisture could bring us a chance of thunderstorm activity tomorrow through Tuesday. Now, it should be isolated to our mountain and desert areas. We'll take a look at the rain and cloud forecast. We'll have increased cloudiness all around the county, but it's the mountain and desert areas that we're really looking at in terms of some rainfall. If we get this, I know it looks like a lot of green here, but if we get this, it won't be anything too significant in terms of accumulation, but pretty widespread through those areas. What we're seeing here in the inland valley areas, we shouldn't get any precipitation there, although we could in the far-reaching eastern inland valley areas like Ramona, Alpine, Valley Center, could get a little bit of sprinkling, but mainly we should be seeing that in the mountain and desert areas. The greatest chance of it spreading into those inland areas that I was talking about would be on Monday. By Tuesday, it's really going to be off to the east. All right, if you're looking for things to do tomorrow around the county, Over the Line Championship continues at Fiesta Island. We're also going to see a costume party run at Qualcomm Stadium. It's a 5K and a 10K, and that starts at 6:30 in the morning if you're thinking of getting up early. Let's take a look at that extended forecast for you. After tomorrow, where temperatures are going to be quite hot, especially inland, we're going to see temperatures gradually coming down just a little bit, a couple of degrees at a time. Increased moisture is bringing increased cloudiness, as you can see, at the coast and into the inland valley areas, but it's really out into the mountains and deserts where we're going to see that storm threat. I'm calling for a 30% chance of that tomorrow in the mountains, a 50% chance on Monday, because that is the greatest likelihood of us seeing some of this wet weather around the county, and then Tuesday a 40% chance, a slight chance again on Wednesday in the mountain areas. In our deserts, 110 degrees tomorrow, some extreme heat. That will come with a slight chance of thunderstorm activity, 30% chance on Monday, and I'll call for just a 20% chance on Tuesday. We should be drying out in our deserts by Wednesday, but still very, very hot in those areas. Derek?
I think we should get a San Diego 6 team together for Over the Line this year. There's a media tournament. We should try it out. How are your skills, Brooke?
Well, it'd be a little unfair because my husband has actually won the tournament 5 times.
Uh-oh. All right, we'll see if we can get him on the team. I don't know if he'll like move things around. Thanks, Brooke.